Something that I saw that it's important, at some point when you start working with, instant prediction builder, you are amazed of the power that this tool has. And you are trying to create a lot of predictions and a lot of things that's good. But it's important to always have, uh, on the first spot or the first place, your audience, your company, and your business. Why I'm saying this? Because sometimes you start creating predictions that are not relevant for your business. And of course, that adoption is going to be hard because people think that those predictions are not useful. So in that way, if you are going to start using Einstein, you need to know your audience, your business, and your needs. Of course, in that way, accordingly, you can understand your goals, your pain points, and of course, you can take the most out of Instant Prediction Builder. Then I guess that another tip that we can think about would be to work, of course, with real accurate data. Of course, that is like an investment because at the beginning, it's going to take a lot of time to really clean your data, have your data really well structured and organized. So probably at the beginning, it's not an easy task, but it will get a lot of benefits to your business.
Yeah, I think though when customers see or when your internal people see what's happening with that data and the results that are coming out of it, it should motivate them to help improve the data going forward, I would imagine. Is that fair?
Yeah, exactly, because people are sensible, and if they feel that you are improving, they help you to improve together. So definitely that would happen. Of course, if you also can think on those scenarios where they are likely to make mistakes, you can put some validations, mandatory fields, and that will help you.